Johnny Depp has appealed the erroneous decision that awarded Amber Heard $2 million in damages in their defamation trial. The former couple were embroiled in a 6-week trial earlier this year over an op-ed the Aquaman star wrote in 2018 about being a victim of domestic violence, with the Pirates of the Caribbean star ultimately winning over $10 million in damages after winning all 3 of his defamation claims, and his ex-wife winning 1 of her 3 countersuit claims. But on Wednesday, Johnny's legal team made a filing in the Virginia Court of Appeals arguing the 59-year-old star should not be held liable for comments made by his attorney, Adam Waldman, who had told the Daily Mail in comments published on April 26, 2020, that Amber and her friends had set up his client by calling police with a hoax of abuse claims in 2016, remarks the jury decided he had made while acting as an agent for the Black Mass actor. Johnny's lawyers argued in court documents that despite an emphatic, favorable verdict for their client, the trial court was confronted with a number of novel and complex legal and factual issues, and although the trial court decided the vast majority of those issues sensibly and correctly, a few rulings were erroneous. They continued, quote, "The judgment in Miss Heard's favor on that lone statement is erroneous. Miss Heard's claim was fatally flawed, and the trial court should have granted Mr. Depp's motion for summary judgment and his motion to strike the evidence. Miss Heard presented no evidence at trial that Mr. Depp was personally involved in directing or making any of the 3 Waldman statements. Indeed, Mr. Depp testified that he had never even seen the Waldman statements prior to the filing of the counterclaim in August of 2020. Mr. Waldman is an independent contractor whose allegedly torturous conduct is not automatically attributable to Mr. Depp, and no evidence of Mr. Waldman's actual malice was presented at trial by Heard's legal team. This court should reverse this judgment on Miss Heard's counterclaim as to the April 27th Waldman statement, but should otherwise affirm the judgment in Mr. Depp's favor."